to rerun it at some point now.
Probably.
All right, so as you all can see, your boy is coming out of retirement tonight. This one is for my Mopar fans. I know that I still got a good amount of you guys here, and I know y'all want to see me go up against the Scat Pack. Obviously, I wanted to get the Charger. This is the Challenger in this one. Stock M4 manual versus a Challenger. Not sure if it's a 6-speed or an automatic, but we're about to go find out, man. Stay tuned. All right, here it is. There it is, you guys see it. We got the wide body. This is a 2019, yeah?
Yeah. We got a couple homies pulling up right now. One with a 240. Yeah.
A 240?
Pretty fat, all-wheel drive.
Oh, okay.
Fast, full bolt on.
Nice. All right, bet. Well, we'll see what we get into. You see, this is the main car that I'm gonna be running right here. So is it stock, you said?
Yeah, stock.
All right, bet. Just an exhaust. Yeah. You want to pop the hoods?
Yeah, I'll pop it.
Let's pop the hoods real quick, just so you know we can show the viewers each of us are stock. So you guys see, I mean, unless I'm hiding something, this shit is stock. I don't really know what to look for. Yes, sir. Okay, this looks familiar. Yeah, it looks stock to me. I mean, unless you got the twin turbo set up underneath, hidden or something.
Can't afford that right now, bro.
Nah, not yet, or what?
Nah, not yet.
For sure. Well, should be a good run. What do you think, man? What do you?
I think you got it. I think you got it.
Think so?
Yeah. Scats are not as fast as M4s, but it's gonna be a good race.
Have you ran any M4s?
I've not a 6-speed one.
Not a 6-speed?
It's a 6-speed, right?
Yeah, it's a 6-speed.
I haven't ran a 6-speed one.
Is this an auto?
Yeah, it's auto.
Auto?
Yeah.
What do you think, bro?
You don't gotta go against me because you know me, but
I'm gonna say the M4.
You think the M4?
Yeah, the M4.
Damn, all the pressure on your boy. All right, we're gonna see. Hopefully I don't fuck up with shifting, you know what I'm saying? But we'll see, stay tuned. They want me to run the Mustang too. I mean, I might as well.
This right here, this the one.
That's the one over
that
600, you say? All right, we out of here, man. Let's go to Mexico. Sounds good. Thanks. It sounds good in yours.
Should have turned mine off. That sounds clean still, bro.
Probably still can't even hear it over yours when it's just idle.
It sounds clean, bro.
Not gonna lie, everybody knows them scats sound good. Can't beat that sound right there.
The following day.
Alright, so last night did not work out in Mexico for some undisclosed reasons, but obviously we're back. We're gonna try it again today. I'm gonna go meet up with the Scat Pack right now, and we'll see which car comes out on top. Alright, here we are, perfect timing. Alright, so what runs? What runs are we gonna do?
What rolls, yeah.
We can start with the 40.
40?
Because I know your best roll is a 40.
Yeah.
I used to have a Scat. And this one, it's not so good. I'm still getting used to it.
Yeah.
But you know, this one like revs a little higher. So we could do like a 40, a 50, and then we could do like a
45.
45.
Meet in the middle here.
Uh-oh. We got the E92 pulling up. My twin M3. This is a surprise to me. I ain't know Bryce was making a special appearance. Jeez.
Sounds mean, bro.
So loud, like too loud, dude.
That was legitness. Yeah, it was.
God damn. Yeah, that thing is crazy, bro.
8,500.
Sheesh. Stock?
Yeah. Once I tune it, go up to 8,700.
Holy
Yeah.
See
All
what
the
this
blue
thing could
cars
do.
out.
Yeah, all the blue cars out. You just come to watch, or what? Are you
Yeah.
getting in on the
That's right,
action
I'm
too?
down.
You see the Le Mans blue M3 pulled up the E92. I want to get in some runs with him as well, but I kind of want to make a whole separate video with that one. So we'll see what happens. That E92 is so loud. Stay tuned because I might have some parts coming on the way for this car here. You know, this thing is a little too stock for me right now. All right, we're pulling up to the gas station. Fill this thing up with some corn. Just kidding, not yet. Maybe soon, I don't know, wait on it. So we're on our way to Mexico, and it's just funny how things happen, you know, because if you guys are familiar with my channel and the videos and everything, my first run in the Scat was against a BMW. I'll show you guys here. Oh, as you can see, I got smoked. Didn't really know what I was doing with the Scat at the time. I had barely got it. But now fast forward, we're in the M4, first run against the Scatpack. It's not the Charger, but that will happen very soon, I assure you guys of that. It's just funny how things go full circle though. Drop your comments down below, let me know what you guys think is gonna happen. We're about to find out. See, we're gonna start with the 40. Not too bad. Honestly, I thought the Scat was going to get me with the torque in the beginning. That was from a 42. That's the Scat's best roll. So maybe we'll just continue to do 40s. Hey, what's up?
Who's the fastest?
We're about to find out right now.
Fucking $100.
$100?
Yeah.
Who you got me in the Scat? This one?
You. This is the M series?
Yeah.
You.
All right, let's see. We got some wagers on the line now. Over here in Mexico, man, it gets crazy, I'm telling you guys. Here's 2 racing now. That was actually not a bad run right there. Looking good. Drop your comments down below, because I know a lot of you guys were upset that I switched from the Scat to the M4, and I know this isn't the Charger, but supposedly the Challenger is faster than the Charger. I don't know, but let me know your guys' thoughts. Whatever you want. Yeah, we can do a 40. I'll give you the hit. So I think we got enough runs in. I like to get enough just so there's no discrepancy or whatever. The 40 is the best roll for the Scat, so there's really no need to do any other rolls. There you guys have it. We got much more of this type of content, testing the M4 out with different vehicles. We'll find a Charger to test it out with as well. We'll find newer Chargers, you know what I'm saying? We'll find Mustangs, 10 speeds. I heard 10 speeds are faster than stock M4s. So we'll see, I don't know. I figured that the M4 would win, you know, but this is my first time racing it, you know, and I didn't do too bad against an M4 with downpipes in the Scat Charger when I raced that. You guys can go check that video out. And this one is a manual, that one was a DCT, and that one was a little older as well, you know, you got to consider that. But, you know, so I didn't really know what to expect, kind of. That's the thing with the Scats, bro. Like, always Mustangs and even Camaros, BMWs, always the top end.
Yeah.
Like, that's where the Scat is just like, the torque is amazing on the Scats,
Yeah.
but the top end is like kind of where the weak spot.
You shift like right away.
You
Nah,
shift?
because I'm in second gear. I'm in 40, and it's almost at the red line.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you shift like right away?
Oh, so you're shifting? You should just let it shift for you.
Now, so I'm in second gear,
Uh-huh.
40, and then once I go,
Yeah.
throw it into auto. So that's what I do.
You don't need to do that though, right? Like, it'll shift for you.
Nah, I don't know.
You didn't know that?
Oh, just stay in second gear?
You could just stay. You could just like keep it in auto, go down to second gear.
My don't do that because I tried staying in auto, staying in second gear, and it
It
doesn't
just
like.
goes back to a higher gear, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't shift for
it
you?
doesn't shift for me.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I don't know if that's a thing with the Challengers, but it's a Scatpack, right? Obviously.
Yeah.
Yeah, because mine, I would just stay in auto and I would shift it all the way down to second gear and I just go, and then it does all the shifting for you.
Yeah, I've never really looked into it like.
Have you tried it?
I've tried it a couple times. I don't think
It works, bro. Trust me. It has to work.
It probably does. Yeah,
Yeah,
right when
yeah.
you run it though, like I noticed like you shift right away, and that for sure like slows you down.
It
Like
does,
shifting
yeah.
right at the beginning like that.
Yeah. Damn, now we gotta go back. Yeah, no, try it, test it out, and then we'll run it again. I didn't know. We should have talked about that beforehand. My boy Isaac.
Don't expose me like that.
Huh?
I said don't expose my brakes like that.
God damn, bruh. I thought yours was
That's
loud.
me beat.
I feel like we're gonna have to rerun it at some point now.
probably.
Yeah, just test that out. Test it out, like let it shift for you, and I'll guarantee you, bro, it's gonna be way better.